Okay, let's start over here. So the first statement, the first premise of the Kalam argument is that an infinite number of days has no end. And then the second one is that today is the end day of history, history being a collection of all days. Here's the thing. We tend to think, well, no, it's not the last day. There'll be another day tomorrow. But has that happened yet? So at this point, this is the end day of history for now, right? So those are both true statements, valid statements. So then what is the conclusion from that? Yes. Yes, therefore there were not an infinite number of days before today. Because as I told you yesterday, that for there to be an infinite number of days, it has to be infinite in both in the past and into the future. But we can't have that because the future hasn't gotten here yet. Does that make sense? Um, so and so this is now outside of science. But it supports the science. It's philosophy. It's not science. It's not math, but it supports what we've talked about with the science and the math. So this is a completely different kind of argument. And you will have a question on this. You will be asked to write this out, and you will be asked to give give an explanation of it as well. So if you have questions on that, please ask me because this is maybe your hardest test in this class. So I want to make sure you're ready for it. So the next thing we're going to do is to complete the engage questions. So that starts on page 28 and it goes through page 29.